This is Vince Marino Plumbing, LLC in Pittsburgh. Today is July 25th, 2024. And what I'm doing is we're completing relocation of a water heater. We've still got some draining to do. So this water heater was atmospherically vented into this chimney. Now, these people bought this house not too long ago, so as you can see here, this is finished. And there's no drain here. This was remodeled at some point. Now, this is a room, there's no drain in here, so if that water heater leaks, it's going to be major damage. So the owner consulted with me after they had a company here look at their air conditioner. It wasn't this company here, but they never bothered to tell them that the water heater was a potential property damage case waiting to happen. So this is over 12 or 13 years old, I believe it is, from researching the serial number on here. So we're going to seal this, and what I did was I capped these hot and cold lines off, okay? We're going to cut into this gas line today and attach this gas, okay? Which goes over into the laundry room. Now, I sold them this 40-gallon Bradford brake power vent. I went right out through an old dryer vent hole. We got to trim it, put it in all the. So this is the gas line, okay? Now, I normally don't do this, but these 3/4 van hangers will fit the steel pipe. You got to use a long screw. And what I did was the owner accessed these. We tied into the hot, which went back to that furnace room, and the existing cold, okay? So now this water heater is gonna feed through here. It's connected into the plumbing system, hot and cold water distribution. Now, as you can see here, I used 1/2-inch black steel pipe. This is the way it's supposed to be. I thread it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not old-fashioned. Now, you can see here they used the CSST tubing. Now, this goes over to here. I mean, it looks unprofessional. And then they went through the wall and come through. Now, when I'm done with the water heater connection, we're going to do this dryer vent. They put that in the wall, which is illegal. You can't use foil. They use the foil vent. That's for bathroom exhaust and heating, which you gotta have. I just had it here. For any of you homeowners, you gotta use the aluminum corrugated. This is aluminum. Okay? This is aluminum corrugated, not foil. Foil will catch on fire if the lint ignites. And how I found that out was through an insurance audit for a customer where they cited all the dryer vents in the apartments from the foil. So what I did was when I removed them, I did an experiment with the torch, and it did catch on fire. The foil melts. So you gotta have this, and it can't be in the wall. To be outside of the wall, outside of it. So that's what you gotta use for your gas dryer vent, even electric. Lint can catch on fire by electric. So this is from Lowe's. It's a Rigiflex, 4 to 8 foot. So in the meantime, we're draining this heater. I'll have the final video on this when I get this started. Okay, we have the completed unit restored. Activated. We seal this with heat foam. Hot water you got?
Still feels cold.
Yeah, just leave that go. Go upstairs where your water flows.
Is that?
Go upstairs and try a faucet. That'll get hot. We're running the hot water. It's coming out hot now. So what we did here was we relocated the heating system for the hot water domestic. You have to run it a little bit to get the air out. Check them all. And this is a simple way, other than electric, to go if you have gas. You're going to waste a lot of energy with, there's my logo there. If you need anybody in Pittsburgh, you know who to call. Heating, hot water, steam heat, domestic hot water. This is a Bradford White 40-gallon power vent, 2-inch red eye through the wall. And these are the water lines. We went over what we did here. So this is the gas. We eliminated this old line that was not used and just reconnected here, capped the gas, and sealed the flue. They have extra storage. Prevented water damage. So until the next plumbing adventure, this is Vince Marino Plumbing LLC in Pittsburgh. I'll read it there, sheet.